See if you can catch the rainfall from this spring day, the gentle purple leaflets fall, blossoms all once belonging to one family familiar. Springtime is when the children break from their families to leave, grow on their own, and understand the subtleties that life projects when we're watching or running. Squirrels love to play under the violet field. Gentle hues tap on their eyelids, tickle at their tails until they burrow and wonder, follow who they are, without question of delivery, timeliness, or if they should, they just are. The simplest of beings enjoy a life more natural, while we spend our lives molding it into our own perfections, often wasting away the days of this time we've been given. I want to watch things more slowly, enjoy the silence, enter the minds that unite us all, and dream for more, not materials, but of adventures and being who I truly